Hello everyone. So during week 3, you're turning in your first draft of your effects essay, essay 1. And during week 4, you're going to revise that essay, edit it, and turn in the final draft for a grade. So I want to give you some additional information about how to do that, looking at this week 4 folder. So there's two main things you need to do. You need to understand your feedback and start making changes, and then you also need to sign up for a conference. So this is a document that shows how certain feedback is given. These are feedback comments that are given in blue text on the text of your paragraph, okay? So you might see a code that says, for example, VF, verb incorrectly formed. Here's an example of that mistake. She didn't received the letter. But here we have she didn't receive the letter. The problem is that when we show the past with didn't, we don't need to put a D on the main verb. Okay, we already showed it was the past. So that's how they made the correction. She didn't receive the letter. There's also a paragraph that shows you how this might look, and this is how it is for all of them. Okay, so how do you see your feedback like that? You can go to My Grades, okay, and then go ahead and click on your activity that you did. Okay, there's mine. I don't know why it's down there, sorry. Okay, and you would be able to see the feedback from the teacher. Okay, so here you see some comments in blue, like center the title, name, class, and date. And then you see some small comments like this, SS, run-on, and VF. And that's where you're going to go over to this list and see how you would be fixing some of those. Okay, but what if you don't? And then also you see some comments here, like start with a topic sentence that connects to this body paragraph. And then you see some feedback over here too. That's like the overall feedback about your essay. Okay, so your job over the next week would be to try to figure out all of those changes and make a bunch of changes to your essay. You also need to meet with me about your essay. It's required, okay? So on there and also on Blackboard in the Learning Modules Week 4, you'll see a link to the sign up for conferences. So in a conference, we will meet just you and me, online or in person if you prefer, because you're already on campus. And we would talk about your essay and how you should improve it. And then if you have any questions, like you don't understand like what some of the comments mean, I would be able to help you. So remember, this is required, and all you have to do is write your name next to your time, and then you would tell me like online or in person, okay, whatever you want. If you're meeting online, this is the link, and then this is my office number for the in-person meetings, okay? So that is the big tasks for week 4, okay? Look at your feedback. Use this paper to see what the codes mean, sign up for a conference, work on revising, and then here you're going to post that final draft by Sunday, February 11th, okay? You can see that we also have a quill, and then we also have a timed writing test. So the timed writing test will be next week, the following week. And you can see that we have 3 different possible times. Tuesday, February 13th, from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Thursday, February 15th, from 6 to 7:30. Or Saturday, February 17th, from 9 to 10:30. And you will need to use HonorLock on the test in order to take the test. If you cannot do any of these 3 dates, put them on your calendar now. It needs to be exactly those times. So if those times do not work for you, you need to email me now, today, as soon as possible, to let me know so that we can make another time. We can do it. We can make another time, but I need to know as soon as possible. Okay? So this is a video that explains how you will do the timed writing and gives you some extra credit activities about how to do it. Okay? And then this is week 4, but in week 5 I will have a practice open for HonorLock, and I'll give more details about how to do it. You can also ask me during a conference. All right, so thank you very much, and good luck with your homework for week 4.